Elon Musk and Donald Trump's spat appears to be getting worse. For Tesla stockholders, that is not good news, and Musk might want to rethink his approach to addressing opponents of electric vehicles. In today's video, we're looking at Trump slashes EV, Leno Praise Elon Musk, Wolfe research Tesla stock prediction, 105% YoY Tesla Car Production. At a recent rally held on Sunday, September 4, 2022, Donald Trump criticized electric cars, saying they cost nearly as much and that people ought to do away with them. The Pennsylvania crowd applauded as the former American president said gasoline costs $1.87, 1.61 pounds per gallon when he was in office. Donald Trump appeared at a rally in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, to increase support for the Republican Senate candidates. The former president told a story about a friend who bought an electric vehicle to help the environment. He described how his friend traveled from Kentucky to Washington, D.C. on several occasions, getting like 38 miles per gallon, which is excellent. However, Elon Musk believes some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is a disaster. Although Trump is against the production of EVs, Elon Musk predicted that sales would reach $100 million within some years. We'll get into that shortly. In other news, despite having recovered almost 30% from its low in May, Wolfe research analyst claimed on September 6, 2022, that the rebound is far from finished for Tesla Incorporated. Rod Lash advises purchasing Tesla stock because it could rise by another 30% to $360 per share. His bullish outlook is mainly based on the Inflation Reduction Act, which was just passed and which he believes will be beneficial for EV stocks. Lash predicts that electric vehicles will have entered 20% of the U.S. market within the next 3 years. By 2025, he had expected a 10% penetration barely. For 2022, Tesla Incorporated is still down more than 30%. In contrast to his initial $12.70, Lash predicts that Tesla Incorporated will increase its profitability to $16 per share by 2025. Talking about the increase, it will be a win-win for you and our channel if you add up to our subscriber list. CEO of Tesla Incorporated, Elon Musk, predicted that within the next 10 years, yearly sales would reach $100 million at the annual shareholders meeting in August 2022.
Tesla themed stat of the day to kick off the week. 100 million. That's how many cars Elon Musk thinks Tesla will have produced 10 years from now. It's a lofty goal indeed. Musk says meeting that goal will require 10 to 12 gigafactories cranking out 1.5 million to 2 million vehicles a year. Recall, Tesla recently announced it produced its 3 millionth electric car since its inception back in 2004.
The general opinion on Wall Street rates Tesla stock as overweight. Not only will Tesla increase its profitability by $16 per share, but it will have a YoY increment. Let's discuss the figures in a bit. However, according to TrueCar's August 2022 sales report, Tesla stock is predicted to have increased by 105% from the previous year, 2021. Tesla sales in the U.S. have increased by the greatest of any brand, 105% year over year, according to TrueCar's August sales estimates. The following two closest manufacturers were GM and Daimler, which experienced a year-over-year YoY increase of 40%. This shows that Tesla's dominance in the U.S. EV market is expanding. The current estimated market share for Tesla is 4.1% overall, or 4.4% of retail. This indicates that the brand has nearly tripled its 2.3% market share at the same point in 2021. His bank balance has also tripled, no doubt. Ford is a rare exception to the rule that most companies no longer release monthly sales figures, but these projections might be perfect for Tesla. Additionally, even though the survey did not include predictions primarily geared at electric vehicles or any other market sector, they suggest that Tesla is likely widening, not closing, the sales gap it has with other EV manufacturers. Comedian and auto enthusiast Jay Leno enjoyed practically every four-wheel or two-wheel vehicle he encounters. As evidence, he has more than 200 automobiles and bicycles in his garage. Still, in recent years, he has taken a particular interest in electric vehicles. EVs, which he claims was partly ignited by Tesla CEO Elon Musk.
What? Wow.
His fascination with electric vehicles dates back to 2007, when Musk dropped by Leno's workshop with the Roadster prototype. After several years of ownership, Jay Leno traded his Tesla Model S and purchased a brand new Tesla Model S Plaid. Jay Leno told YoY Finance that he believes Musk deserves some credit for starting the movement, since people would have called it a golf cart before him. People used to make fun of electric cars, saying they were slow or something like that. He deserves a lot of praise for that. Leno believes electric vehicles will save the historic car market. Since there were so few electric vehicles on the road when Musk visited Leno, such as the GM EV1 and Honda Insight EV Plus, Leno was questionable. Understanding the idea of creating a charging network was a little challenging. However, in the year 2021, U.S. News & World Report estimated that there are over 31,000 individual Tesla charging points distributed across close to 3,500 Tesla supercharger stations worldwide. About one-third of these stations are dispersed across all 50 states of the United States. As we know how Trump feels about EVs, what's going to be his next move? Should EV makers be worried? Let's find out in our next video. Trump's latest comment on EVs. Should EV makers prepare for the worst? Tesla stock news. Thanks for your time.